This is Santosh English Learning Channel, uploading videos and spoken English. Dear students, in this channel, I have uploaded very valuable lessons on spoken English. The students who are watching these videos, they are sending valuable message, suggestion, comments to develop the videos, how to learn spoken English. Today, I am uploading very interesting sentences which will help you to speak English. Okay? Spoken English. Dear students, nothing is different from written English. If you use written form in your conversation, it is acceptable. But what is spoken English? Spoken English is just a little difference from written English. In spoken English, you may omit or avoid some grammatical elements because grammatical elements are helpful in writing a sentence in a correct and effective manner. But spoken English needs how to present your opinion, how you to present your views that you want to speak. This is called spoken English. Spoken English needs no grammatical rules or regulation. It only needs what you want to speak others. And in this way, you can express your feelings, your views before others by using spoken form. Okay? ବାକ୍ୟ ଗୁଡ଼ିକୁ ଆମେ ବିଭିନ୍ନ ପ୍ରକାରରେ କହିଥାଉ ବା ଲେଖିଥାଉ. ମୁଁ କାମଟି କରେ, I do the work. ମୁଁ କାମଟି କରାଇ ନିଏ, I get the work done. Okay? ମୁଁ ଚିଠି ଲେଖେ, I write letter. ମୁଁ ଚିଠିଟି ଲେଖାଇ ନିଏ, I get the letter written. ଅତଏବ ତମେ ସେ କାମଟି ନିଜେ ନ କରି ଆଉ କାହା ଦ୍ୱାରା କରାଇ ନିଅ. ଏହି କ୍ଷେତ୍ରରେ ଗେଟ୍ ବ୍ୟବହାର କରାଯାଇଥାଏ. ମୁଁ କାମଟି କରୁଛି, I am doing the work. ମୁଁ କାମଟି କରାଇ ନେଉଛି, I am getting the work done. I am getting the work done. ମୁଁ କାମଟି କରାଇଛି ବା କରିଛି, I have done the work. ମୁଁ କାମଟି କରାଇ ନେଇଛି, I have got the work done. ମୁଁ କାମଟି କଲି, I did the work. ମୁଁ କାମଟି କରାଇଲି, I got the work done. ମୁଁ କାମଟି କରୁଥିଲି, I was doing the work. ମୁଁ କାମଟି କରାଇ ନେଉଥିଲି, I was getting the work done. ମୁଁ କାମଟି କରିପାରିବି, I can do the work. ମୁଁ ଏ କାମଟି କରାଇ ନେଇପାରିବି, I can get the work done. I can get the work done. ମୁଁ କାମଟି କରିବି, I will do the work. ମୁଁ କାମଟି କରାଇ ନେବି, I will get the work done. ତ ଶିଖ କିଭଳି ଭାବେ ଗେଟ୍ ବ୍ୟବହାର କରି ଆମେ ବାକ୍ୟର ଅର୍ଥକୁ ନ ବଦଳାଇ ଫର୍ମେସନକୁ ବିଭିନ୍ନ ଭାବରେ କରିପାରୁଛେ. ଏହି ଉପାୟରେ ଗେଟ୍ ଆଉ ଗଟ୍ ବ୍ୟବହାର କରାଯାଏ. ମୁଁ ଚିଠି ଲେଖେ, I write letter. ମୁଁ ଚିଠିଟି ଲେଖାଇ ନିଏ, I get the letter written. ମୁଁ କାମଟି କରେ, I do the work. ମୁଁ କାମଟି କରାଇ ନିଏ, I get the work done. ମୁଁ କଫି ତିଆରି କରେ, ସପୋଜ ମୁଁ କଫି ତିଆରି କରେ, I make coffee. ମୁଁ କଫି ତିଆରି କରିନିଏ, I get coffee made. I get coffee made. ମୁଁ ଘର ଓଳାଏ, I clean the room. ମୁଁ ଘରଟି ବା ରୁମ୍ଟି ଓଳାଇ ନିଏ, I get the room cleaned. Okay? How interesting these sentences are. If you use these sentences in your spoken English, it is very attractive to use these sentences. And in your spoken English, if you use this formation, sentence formation, it will be attractive and easier. than complex sentences. Complex sentence means a long sentence. Simple sentence is a simple sentence. Means subject, verb, object. Okay? ମୋ ଭଉଣୀ ସୀମା ଯେ ଦିଲ୍ଲୀରେ ରହେ ସେ ଆସିଛି. If you use the sentence, my sister Sima who is living in Delhi has come today. If you break the long sentences into simple, my sister is Sima. She lives in Delhi. She has come today. My sister Sima, she lives in Delhi. She has come today. Okay? I am a student. I study in a college. The name of my college is Adikavi Saradas College. So this way you can make your complex sentences into simple one and use them in your spoken English. Dear students, remember or while speaking, think that what you are speaking are right. Positively, use the sentences that you have learned and use them in your conversation. While speaking or while making conversation with others, if you think that you are making something wrong, forget it and carry on talking. In conversation or in spoken English, a speaker may make some mistakes, but these mistakes are not acceptable. But you should not make a serious mistake that he are here. This is wrong sentence. He is here. They is here. Wrong. They are here. So these are the common mistake. If you make it, it will not be good. So before learning spoken English, learn the very fundamental lessons that will help you to frame a simple sentence. Subject, verb, object. ମୁଁ କଫି ପିଏ. I drink coffee. ତୁମେ କଫି ପିଅ କି? Do you drink coffee? ତୁମେ କ'ଣ ପିଅ? What do you drink? This way, in my video 1 or 2, I have uploaded basic English. Watch these videos. After learning the basic English, if you learn these structures, they will help you how to speak spoken English. Thanks for watching my video. Your Santosh sir.